So this isn't the best video as far as quality goes, but I wanted to show you this is the fire alarm panel that was in the building in Montreal that burned down and killed 7 people. Now if we look here, none of the zones are in trouble, but yet our trouble light is clearly on. This is the power light, this is the trouble light. Let me pan out. We got some sort of note written on the front. Ladies and gentlemen, what panel is that? So it's analog, it's 4-zone. Is that Miracom? I want to say it's Miracom, but it looks like it says GS down here. Jeez. Wish we had a little bit of a better photo. What's so weird is that there were permits taken out on this building in 2019 for work done to the system. Yeah, what work did they do? I'm like really want to figure out what work they did. Definitely in a trouble. That's definitely the trouble light. And what is that note? Wow. Hey, I'm just thankful that they had a photo of it though. This is the panel. Now let me pause the video. Now this is another photo from inside the building. Sorry the quality's not that good. Ladies and gentlemen, those are actual extension cords feeding the switches. That's an actual extension cord on the wall. This is from the building in Montreal. You imagine that.